Hey guys, I'm Gordon Lawson. I'm the futures manufacturer rep for the entire eastern seaboard and the Caribbean. And today I'm going to run you through our one-pass installation kit. We're going to cut a 5-fin set out of our 3/4 and 1/2 inch boxes. So in the kit comes with dummy fins to set your fin angles, which is super important. Looks like they have 6.5 degrees, 3 degrees, and 4. Then you have your slide mechanism, which I'll show you how that works. A 3/4, a 1/2 inch bit, a target, some shims if you're dealing with concave bottoms or V bottoms, a Timmy Tool, and Jig Plate. So today we're going to be cutting a 5-fin set on this little fishy board for my buddy Mark. And as you can see, the fins are already marked and ready to cut. So the router we're going to be using today, and the one I prefer, is Makita's RT0701C, and I keep it turned down low for the EPS. If you're doing PU or polyblanks, you can turn up the heat a little bit. The first thing I normally do is I'm going to put a weight on here because we're cutting in just foam, and we got to have a good rack with some padding. And once we get the board on here and we feel good about it, now we can place the jig on and start cutting. So we'll be cutting our 3/4 boxes first, and that'll be the boxes on the rail, and that is the deeper boxes. We're going to use our target to line up our fin marks properly. That's a perfect setup. You want it down here on the bottom of the fin mark and up to the top. Once you get that on, don't move the jig again. Always want to have a mask on. One little trick I always use for when I sink the boxes with the resin is I use a 1-inch brush. You can pick these up at Fiberglass, Florida. They're only like 70 cents, and they work really well for getting the resin pushed through the vent holes in our system to really lock it down. So go get you a handful of these, and you're good to go. So hope everyone learned something today. Go get your install kit from Fiberglass, Florida. See you in the water.